Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to uncheck all the checkboxes that you have here in a page on the Notion application or Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Notion desktop client or desktop application, or you can just connect to your the website with your Notion account. So here I'm going to create a new page here in this example. So uncheck all. And here I'm going to create a checkbox or a to-do list, checkbox or to-do list, so I can show you how to uncheck all or check all in Notion. So basically here I have this list of the checkboxes. So here I'm going to check everything, and now we want to uncheck all these checkboxes. So basically all we need to do now is to select all these items and check them and check them. Basically you will need here to go down here, or you can just choose from here or down and hold shift, and then you will go to to the top up here and select here. And here now you will see that all the items are being selected. For example, you can start from here and hold shift, and you can, for example, if you choose just to uncheck these or just to select these ones, you will need to hold shift and make sure that your cursor is here and click on the fourth items, for example, and the selection will stop here. But now we want to select all the items. I'm going to have my cursor here or here, doesn't matter, and hold on shift on your keyboard, the shift key on your keyboard, and click on the first item or the group of items that I want to select. And now all it remains to do is to click on the chicken button, and I will have them all unchecked. So basically and simply, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.